This video is created to help you find the McClure calendars in our Outlook calendars. So first things first, when you're looking at your desktop, you want to get into Outlook, and you want to get into the Outlook web app because that's where you're going to find it. So you're going to go down to your search windows screen or field at the bottom of the screen, bottom left, and type in Outlook and then open up Outlook. Some of you may have this in your bottom bar down here. That's fine to access it there. The main thing is you want to make sure that you're in a version of Outlook that has in the bottom left-hand corner these three dots. And so you're going to need these in order to find the calendars in the place where the district has lovingly buried them. All right, so you're going to click on these three dots and then select folders. And this is going to make things look a little bit different, but don't worry, you'll be able to get back. What you really want is you want to be able to scroll down using this left menu scroll bar here until you see public folders and then your username. You're going to use this left arrow, drop down arrow, to reveal all public folders. And then you're going to reveal the folders within there. And then you're going to choose departments to reveal the folders within there. And then you're going to select McClure Middle School. So you just need to remember that path. But good news is you'll always be able to come back to this video. Underneath here, you see all the calendars. We've got both computer labs. We have the bags of headphones that you can sign up to check out for your class if you're doing something that involves students independently listening to something. We have iPad carts, both of them 1 and 2, and laptop carts 6 and 7. There's also a library calendar in here that you can use to sign up for, sign your classes up into the library, or just to see when other things are happening in the library where maybe you won't be able to send a large group of kids down or, bring down your class. So anyways, if you are trying to do something, you would just select whatever it is that you want to do. So I'm just going to go, for example, into laptop cart 6. And I can see who's all signed up. And generally what people do is they put their name and the period they want to sign up for. So say today I wanted to sign up for the laptop cart. All I need to do is click on the square and then just type in Ebersol and then the periods I need it. And then when I click off, it's going to have me in there. And everyone pretty much just agrees that that's how they're going to indicate what they want. The way it's going to go is I think the first person to request something, their request goes in first and then people afterwards. But you just have to make sure that you're not, when you see someone's already in there, you have to kind of make sure that you're not requesting it during a period that they already have blocked off. That's all. And then if you need to go in and delete it, then you just click on it and then you can delete. If you know that you're going to need something for a series of Wednesdays, like every Wednesday you want something, it's a good idea to double click on the block and bring something up. And then you can type in, just again, Ebersol, 4, 5, 6. And then up here, it has something called a recurrence. And I can select for it to occur every 1 week or however many I want to on Wednesday. And then you can set a beginning date and an end date, right? If this has no end date, this would be for the rest of the school year, right? Or if I know I'm only going to, end by, and then I want a certain date. And then I hit OK. And then I hit save and close. And then I have that whole series. And then if I go in there to delete it, I can still just go into delete. It's going to ask me if it wants to delete just that one occurrence or the whole series. So I'm going to say delete series. And then it's going to ask me to confirm that. Okay. Another thing that you can do is if you're working with somebody, you can go in and you can put in 4, 5, 6, and then you can invite attendees. And that's just going to change it to a to field. So if I wanted to say I was working with Ms. Pattison on something and using this library cart, I would do that and then she would get an invite, right? And she would be able to, and that would put it on her calendar as well. So that's just something else you can do. And then when you hit send, it sends an email to Ms. Pattison inviting her, and it also puts it onto the calendar for iPad 6. I'm not going to do that because she'll be really confused. Okay, so hopefully that helps you, or this will help you to remember how to access those calendars and use them. Every calendar is pretty much the same. And so good luck, and let me know if you have any questions, and also if this was helpful. Thank you.